So I've been known to review a microphone or two, like the TLM49, the MKH416, the ATR2100, the AT4040, the Fifine K8, the Blue Yeti Pro, the NTG2, the NW700, the Rode NT1A. Whew. But are any of them as fun as the Aokeo AK-80 with the X7 Live sound mixer? What makes it so fun? Up next. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose, and this is the place where I help content creators just like you get better at your craft through audio, video, and tech. So make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. Hit that like button if you learned something new. And also follow me on my social media at Low Nose Media to see all the behind the scenes on how I go about making these videos. All right guys, so like I said before, possibly, or could be, I think so, the funnest mic kit out there, the Aokeo AK-80 with the X7 Live Sound Mixer. Now guys, this kit costs about $49. $49? $49. $49? $49. It's just $49. $49? It's only $49. It's only $49 for all of this? That's right, $49! So yeah, the microphone kit is $49. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself. But $49! Okay. Let's see what's inside the box, shall we? All right, so here we go. We've got our two pieces of paper that come inside of our box, one for our X7 Live Sound Mixer and the other details for our microphone. Our microphone is a super cardioid microphone with an omnidirectional pattern. Go ahead and figure that one out. We've also got the frequency response. Going further inside, we've got our pop filter, two of them actually. We also have our shock mount for our microphone. We've got our XLR to the PC mic input, so we can connect this to our X7. And of course, what else would you expect inside the box? The microphone, the AK-80, and then the X7 Live Sound Mixer. You also get a boom arm with this with the desk clamp. And you also have an accessory box which has your USB cable for your X7 and also some stereo cables as well, so you can connect additional devices to your X7 device. Okay, that's enough for now. What do you say we get to some gratuitous product shots? Alright, enough of that unboxing stuff. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set all of this up. We'll do a quick mic test and then we'll get to the fun. Now, let's put this together. Real simple, just take your boom arm, get your desk clamp, put the thing inside the hole, take your clamp and put on your desk, adjust as you like. Take your shock mount, take your mic, well no, take your shock mount first, screw it in there. Take your mic, squeeze the handles, slide it in. Make sure the name is facing out towards your mouth because that's where the condenser, that's where the capsule is. All right, so for my first test, I'm gonna connect this microphone to my mixers to give you a really good sense of what this microphone sounds like connected to a solid mixer. Then we'll move to the X7 sound mixer. Let's go. All right, here's your first taste of the sound test of the Aokeo AK-80 condenser microphone. Off the bat, it's not a bad sounding microphone. It does have its limitations. We'll get to that in just a little second. But just listen to it. It's sounding great. I have my AC on in the background. It's doing a great job of rejecting that sound right now. When I stop talking, you'll actually see how my levels just go straight to nothing. Awesome. Just works. On top of that, there's really nothing much more to expect or demand from this microphone. You just don't want a bad sound, so it's just giving you a nice, even sound. Now, let's hold on for a second. You can't be too aggressive when it comes to this microphone. This microphone will overload real quickly. So right now, I'm keeping like a nice safe distance so I don't overload the microphone. But just to give you a sense, I have my faders on my microphone set to 10 by default, because this microphone gets really hot really fast all of a sudden. And let me show you my how I'm peaking as well. Okay, you see right here, if I just decide to talk, and you can see how my levels are just peaking every now and then. I have to be really careful, but if all of a sudden I get loud, it just starts overloading and peaking the microphone. So it's just something you want to keep in mind when you're using this microphone. You don't want everyone to get to a position where you're like, oh my God, because you're just going to blow the crap out of the microphone. It gives you a nice, good sound when you're just having a normal conversation, if you have a nice, safe distance away from the microphone, but try not to be too aggressive because you will for sure overload the microphone. Ugh. You'll just send it to an early grave right then and there. Well, it's not really gonna die, but you know, the microphone is not built to handle an overload like that. Now let's do a quick pop filter test and see what it sounds like with the pop filter. Right now I'll go pee 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 po po pee pee pa 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 pee 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 pa pa. All right, so you can see it actually blows up pretty easily. Now we'll put the pop filter on. Pee 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 po 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 pee pa 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 pee pee pa 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 poo. Papa. Yeah, so this definitely helps. It's all up to you if you want to use it or not, but that really helps as well. Let's take it off because I'm confident in my plosives. I'm not going to blow this thing up. Now let's get straight to the fun part. Let's connect the X7 live sound mixer to our microphone. So you can see that our X7 live sound mixer has multiple things to play with, so we're going to have fun with this right now. Let's take a quick look at the X7. We have our volume knob, our echo knob. We can do voices, have laughter, yes, laughter. We have different modes for singing, priority, rap, applause, and also music. The music is almost like a T-Pain effect. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind throughout this entire thing, the sound, the X7 live sound mixer, it has a built-in gate. It's a very aggressive gate, and it's supposed to help you with like a lot of background noise. So if you're not talking, it completely it gates the sound. Through my experiences, sometimes it can be a little obtrusive when it comes to your letters. So whenever I use the letter F, it would cut off the beginning of the letter F and just kind of come in. So if you hear like a gating sound, like quiet up, it's the live sound mixer. If you want to get around that, then you want to stay pretty active, pretty close around the microphone, so the gate is not in effect, but it's there. It's supposed to minimize background noises as best as it can to give you a quiet experience. All right, so let's take a look at this the live sound mixer. Like I said before, here's the volume. We just do that. I'm getting louder. All right, I'll bring it down. The echo knob. Here we go. We're adding some echo, and this is me just playing with the echo. Now, what do you say we start with
some voices, because right now I'm feeling kind of deep and manly. What's up? Hey, I'm looking at you right now. Who's over there? I'm over here. You're over there. We're all over here, and I'm feeling kind of tough. Let's see another voice. Yeah, but.
And this is me, the voice, and I'm kind of like a chipmunk, kind of little drunk maybe, but if you like the way it sounds, then come right up and let's have some fun. What do you say we check out the next voice?
Okay, this is me and the next voice, and I'm kind of sad because I'm a little big dragon who's here to burn your village down. And this is what it sounds like when a dragon speaks into this microphone, so chill out.
And this is another chipmunk voice, but it's a little slower. What do you say you go ahead and pass another round for all of us to have a party? Yeah, next voice.
Okay. Okay, so when I looked at the manual for this, they called this voice the man-woman voice. Where a man, I think, all of a sudden turned to a woman, or a woman turned to... You didn't hear that from me. But anyway, this is the man-woman voice. So yeah, don't mess with me. Next voice.
And okay, I think that's it. I think if this chipmunk is a little higher, so... It's the chipmunks. Yeah, okay, let's move into the next one.
Okay, alright, that's another low voice. Okay, I guess that's the last one. Next one.
Okay. Alright, okay. Now, if you want to turn the voices off, all you have to do is hold down the voice button. Like so.
And it's off. All right, now one thing that they promote about this box is that this is a live stream box. So if for some reason you made a funny or something else, if something funny happened, you can just Oh, stop it, stop it, stop. You guys are too funny. I mean, what can I say? You know, I try. Oh, please, 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 please. Oh my God, flattery will get you everywhere. So yeah, you got a laugh button. We move to the, okay guys, you can stop laughing. We go to our hold button, our mode, which is also our on and off switch. And right now we're on singing, and you'll probably just notice kind of like a softness to the voice. Well, now I'll press it and it'll go to priority. And this is what it sounds like for priority. So it kind of takes out it gives me a more flatter sound. Now when we go to the rap, it kind of adds maybe a little more of a even flatter sound. So just in case if I wanted to yell, it doesn't get out of control. It kind of adds like a softening compressor to it. I'll go back to the top and then I'll leave it on priority. Now we have the applause. So, oh yes, thank you so much. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh no, actually, let's do this. And now, welcome back to the latest game show. No. And now, welcome back to your favorite game show. Introducing your host, Low Nose Media. Thank you so much, contestants, for playing our game. Question number 1. All right. And then if you hold down the applause button, you get this. Oh. Okay, so I like that sound effect, but there's a little clip at the end, which makes it, in my mind, a little kind of, I can't use that because it clips at the end. Yeah, kind of sucks. Now, here's really cool. We can add the T-Pain effect to your voice. Oh, I am singing. Well, I'm not really singing right now, but you can hear how it's affecting my voice, and I'm sounding so cool when I'm doing this microphone review for you. Oh, yeah, baby. What are you gonna say when I say, tell me maybe that we're using the live sound mixer? When we doing here, probably streaming on some Flixer. No, those are movies. You know what it's saying. All right, and then there's another one. It's another T-Pain effect, and it just kind of goes throughout. It goes throughout all the notes. And if I want to turn it off, I just hold it down. Boom, done. Yep, and that, my friends, is the Aokeo AK-80 with the X7 live sound mixer. Now, one more thing. I'm not sure if you heard it during this review, but whenever I've noticed that from every now and then when using the live sound mixer, that I do get a little kind of like, I don't know, kind of like signal interference. It's almost like an electric whistle going on in the background. I'm not sure if you're hearing it, but I hear it a little bit on my headphones. It comes and goes, so I'm not really sure if it's kind of the circuitry going on in my computer that's passing through the USB port, but it's something that could happen. It's something that could not happen, but heck, you know? Thank you so much. I know you like it. I like it too. But that's just the way it goes when it comes to this microphone or using this kit. But overall, I think it's a... I know, guys. I didn't say anything funny yet, but I appreciate the encouragement. Okay, guys. That is it for this review when it comes to the AK-80 with the X7 live sound mixer. Let me know what you think about this kit in the comment section down below. As always, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns about any of this, go ahead, leave it down below so I can get right back to you. As always, I'll leave links to this little kit as well so you can check it out or see other further reviews or whatever if this really interests you. As always, guys, check me out on my social media, Low Nose Media, and also join the Discord community or join the Low Nose community on Discord at Low Nose. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.